So I wanted sausage and peppers, but I was also, after Ethan mentioned it, craving a sloppy Joe.
Lady, you're scaring us.
Welcome to the set, guys. My name is CJ. That's Nate.
Hey.
That's Ethan.
Hello.
That's Esty.
Let's stay together, proceed up the steps, and into the building.
And that is none of your business. Today, I'm so glad that you guys are here. Like I said, a sausage and peppers, sloppy Joe kind of rendition. I think it's gonna be fun. I've never made it before. We shall see.
Therefore I am.
But one thing's for sure, when that bell rings, grab something tasty, give it a sip, and dive in.
So come on, everyone, it's today's first show.
Now to get things going, we've got two kinds of pork products
Oh no,
here.
man.
Yeah, I know what you're doing, Campbell.
We've got some ground pork, and I've also got some kielbasa. Kielbasa is gonna need a minute to cook, so we're getting that on first. So we're gonna put some oil, then we're gonna steam, drop a dome on it, let it cruise. While it's cruising, we're gonna steam every now and then and flip when necessary. Now, moving
Kielbasi?
on. Nope.
Kielbasi?
I've also got some red and green and yellow peppers and a yellow onion. Gonna dice these up into manageable bites. That's what I'm looking for.
Not really a dice, more
No.
manageable.
Definitely.
We know what you meant. We know.
It's like a julienne, but then cut in half. What would you call that?
Half a julienne.
Oh,
A
I didn't-
julie.
Jules?
Jules.
That's
like
what I
it.
have.
I like it.
But I think our sausage is officially
Half a julienne. It's just not getting me.
is there.
Hey, you alright, guy?
No.
It's attacking you.
Moving on. So as you see, we've been flipped a couple times.
How long are them sausages?
5 mini sturkeys.
Obviously.
Well, let's get two.
We'll just do two at a
We're two
time.
right now. We're gonna get those guys. Set them there.
I like this trick. Also, fun trick, you didn't mention it, I know you know it. Steaming them and going slow will help the casings to not burst.
Yeah,
which
I was just going to say that.
I know, I should have said, sorry.
Steaming and cooking low and slow helps from this. Yeah, you heard what he said.
You're so smart.
These are done. They're gonna need to hang out, cool down, because we're actually gonna be slicing them
Oh, fun.
into manageable bites, not a
Medallions?
julienne. Yeah, sure. Let's go with that. Add a little bit more oil,
A salted pork.
some salted pork, and whoa,
Hey,
It was deliberate.
well,
wow.
need to crank some heat up here. We're off to the races.
Wait, why are we doing two kinds of pork?
Because I'm making a sloppy Joe, and you can't have a sloppy Joe with just that. You have to have something like this, obviously.
Oh.
Don't ask dumb questions. It was a decent question. I'm sorry for yelling. Let's get this chopped up, and we're gonna wait on our bell peppers. So let's ring it and bring it.
Okay,
We'll be back.
so I'll take a break.
Oh, just slow down.
remember
No
who
need
our
to
friends
raise our
are.
voices.
Remember, we're all friends here.
We're all friends here.
We're all friends here. Right?
You spilled my drink. We're no longer friends.
Don't call me. Don't come by my house. We're done.
And before our ground pork gets cooking too far, we're gonna season this with a little bit of salt and pepper. And now, exactly. Now it is time for the peppers and the
sure?
onions. Everybody should come over here.
Now it's time for not the
Not-
peppers and onions.
It's time, yeah.
All right.
It is time.
I like your claw
I figured
move.
this was the
Good.
right amount of peppers I needed.
It's a good eagle claw.
Thank you.
The double claw.
Yeah, that'll do.
Ah.
Da claw.
Claw is our master. Claw chooses who will go and who will stay.
This is ludicrous.
Nice one. Oh.
You missed some.
Oh, okay, that's good. You're gonna do some salt and pepper here.
That's what I said.
That's exactly what you said. A little bit of pepper. Let's toss that around in that oil just
And that
a little bit.
smells awesome.
Oh, it's a comfort smell, right?
Pork fat and onions. It's almost as good as beef fat and onions.
Not quite as good as
No,
beef.
it's a
Yeah,
close second.
but it's definitely a good one. Let's get that. Yeah, see, we're starting to get that color. I like what's going on here. Don't need to spend too much time here right now. All right, now let's see if my calculations were correct. I want to slice these up into manageable bites.
If you go too hot and heavy on sausages like this,
Ooh,
they're good looking. What will happen is the skins will burst, and they get like wrinkly and ugly.
Yeah,
you ever seen that?
It loses its allure.
Yeah.
That's for sure. I mean, it will still taste fine. Just won't, you know, we
Doesn't
eat
have
with
that-
our eyes
Yeah,
first.
that appearance.
Exactly. And, dude, the last little bit is kind of hard to get uniform, so I'm just gonna, a little chef's treat, as you like to call it. Let's go check on that pork over here. See how we're doing. I think we're doing good. I think we're doing real good. Yeah, this definitely cooks a lot quicker than the kielbasa. You know what?
What?
You guys
This
just
is good.
Yeah, you guys just stay here. I'm gonna bring these over.
I'm staying here?
Yeah, sure.
Well, I'm coming over here anyway.
Okay, just do what you want.
I stayed here, CJ.
Thank you, Ethan.
I'm doing my part too.
So sausage times 2.
Times 2.
Pork product times 2.
Exactly. You know what? Let's combine them all together now. Bro!
3 mini lion box. Nailed it.
Nailed it. Dude, but this is definitely key. You want to get those sausages down, you know, from like those 9-inch sausages into like a...
Speaking of, I'll give it to you, 9 inches. Hey CJ, did you know? Did you know that 9 inches is actually taking over Daft Punk's position in doing the soundtrack for the new Tron movie?
Oh, dude, the new Tron looks awesome.
I haven't seen any. Is there a trailer?
Yes, there's a trailer now. And Jared Leto's in it.
Really?
And basically the world of Tron comes out of the cyber world and it's in the real world.
Well, thanks for spoiling it.
I could tell you meant that.
Spoiler alert!
Sorry. Bring it. I couldn't help it. Jared Leto, I'm a big fan.
Hey, Ethan, did you know? CJ knows more about this than you do.
He's a nerd.
Now this is where the party begins to really kick up.
Why?
We're now going into Sloppy
this the
Joe
party?
territory.
Oh.
First thing you gotta do is get some Worcestershire sauce. We're gonna probably...
It's not that hard to say.
Oh, look at that. It's not. You just gotta learn how to
Wash your
say it.
sister.
The Wash Your Sister sauce?
Yeah, Bruce doesn't like saying it.
No, he does not. But
I'll
I
have to do
really
some in the
believe there's
garlic.
no way Bruce could say it. Got some stone ground mustard.
Nice.
This is a key element here.
I'm a fan.
You could use yellow mustard if you want, like just regular, traditional yellow mustard.
Stone ground.
Stone ground, it's fancier, it's sexier.
With the assistant.
Thanks, buddy.
Pardon me, do you have any Grey Poupon?
Now with this, I want some jalapeños.
And the juice.
And I want the juice.
That's a Fraser special there.
It is a Fraser special.
He just like little bit of juice.
Oh, little bit is good.
Little bit is very
Not too much, eh?
No, sometimes little is good. You know?
Oh, dude, that is
Wow. The vinegar and the Worcestershire together.
Yeah.
That's an aroma.
Okay.
Good one.
Now, yeah. We're gonna do this first. Some tomato paste. You don't want tomato sauce, you want tomato paste. We need it to be thickened up.
Intense.
Yeah.
Super intense tomato flavor.
Now my idea here is that I'm not gonna go quite as sloppy, but I wanted the peppers and the onions and everything to be a wet, kind of like a wet cheesesteak.
Saucy Joe.
Yeah, and now Dr. Pepper, bro.
Okay.
This is gonna...
Sugar?
Sugar and flavor. Lots of everything that we want. That's what I'm talking about. You know, I'm gonna scoot over here. We've got a little more heat cruising.
Wow, that smells awesome.
All right, Ethan, what do you think it needs?
More sloppy.
All you need is love. And a little tomato paste. You are wrong. All you need is love and tomato paste. Love and tomato paste.
That's all you need.
A bit more DP, a bit more stone ground mustard.
All right.
Let's get it into manageable piles. I'm gonna add cheese.
Okay.
And then, oh now. All right, there we
I
go.
like that.
We're gonna need lots of cheese here. Today I'm using
Dang,
mozzarella.
Those are manageable piles?
I think.
That's a serious serving. I'm not complaining.
That sounded like a complaint.
Nah.
But we're gonna go with it.
What kind of cheese is that again?
I might have to eliminate some of this. We're doing mozzarella.
Okay.
Sliced mozz. Go with any cheese you like, because this is nothing sacred about this recipe right now.
Well, that's true.
Jerk.
No,
But-
I was talking to Ethan.
Okay, there we go. We're gonna let that hang. Time to ring and bring.
Okay.
We'll be back.
Hey CJ, why are you not making one for me?
No. Why would you interrupt my ring?
You look so serious. Don't interrupt his groove.
Oh, you interrupted his groove. Okay, I may have made the piles a little big.
I don't. They're healthy.
Well, we're gonna see. Let's
They're healthy.
get these hoagie rolls, dude. These soft hoagie rolls. Actually, a pro move might have been to like toast
don't have
these,
to toast
but
them.
we're not going to.
No, soft
Gonna
is
put these
fine.
on
It's like at a
that
carnival.
awesome pile of cheese and goodies. This is definitely carnival food,
Ooh.
dude. Whoa, dude.
Dude.
Huge mound
Dude.
of mess.
Cheesy, melty, messy goodness.
Sloppy, yummy,
Yet
Different.
satisfying.
yet satisfying. Exactly.
Tastes like chicken.
Definitely cut it in half.
Dude, these are. I think they're too big.
You did a thing.
We did.
You
we
did
a
good,
thing.
bubby.
Yeah,
You
we
did
did.
good.
So, I was gonna go for this one, but I got a cheese skirt right
I might
here.
need to get up on it.
Come on in.
Let's cut this in half and see how we did.
Dang, bro.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah,
Wow.
dude. Look at that skirt and the sausages cruising. Oh.
All right, so.
All right.
Sloppy Joe
huh.
meets sausage and peppers
Burn your face off.
meets burn your face off. All your condiments are already in there. The tomato, the mustard,
Bro,
the peppers, and
any doubt you have
I didn't have any.
is about to be settled. A little bit of heat from that vinegar and the jalapenos. Not too much, just the right amount.
Dang.
Everything is seasoned beautifully. It's
they-
saucy, so it's not dry.
They look like the perfect kind of messy.
Yeah, like you said, kind of like a carnival, right?
Yeah, if I went to a fair and this was on the menu, I'd be getting these.
To be fair.
Yeah.
To be fair.
To be fair.
I had nothing else to say. I just wanted to say that. But
You
speaking
got me.
of saying nothing, here's to those
You. What a jerk.
that have something to say.
What a jerk.
Leave it in the comments. How'd I do? Would you try it? But speaking of comments, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
So glad that you guys stuck around. This is the segment of this cooking show where I screenshot comments from you, the
that
viewers,
you do.
everybody commenting if you write it.
We read it.
That's right. We get to share it when we feel like it's
Saucy.
needs to be shared. Yes. So starting from the top in no particular order, this is from Richard Lewis.
Hey,
and
Richard
this
Lewis.
also was on the Bruce Frog. Dude, that was filmed like 2 years ago. People are still commenting on
Oh,
it.
that frog episode was one of my favorites.
Yeah. It says, keep Bruce and the camera guy, get rid of CJ. He's a squeamish city boy that don't know good food when it's put in front of him.
How do you know it sounds like that?
It's gotta. His survival rate is 2 days in a zombie apocalypse.
That was good.
Yeah, except I'm the one that pulled the frogs out of the gator-infested swamp.
It's true, you did. You crushed it.
Yes, thank you.
You
So-
didn't eat them, but
I did eat them.
you tasted
I didn't
it.
like them.
Ethan ate like.
All of them. I also pulled Bruce out of the swamp.
That's true.
Somebody pull me back in. Pull me in.
Get him!
I'm good. I'm good.
Got him!
I'm good.
Got him! Literally said pull me back. Okay, this is from... This is
okay?
from Alicia Denny? Alicia Denny?
Yep.
Yeah. Sorry if I butchered your name, because I just did. Says, my husband is a Marine Corps vet and bought me a Blackstone for my birthday last year. Then I found your show. Best thing to happen to my cooking for my family.
Dang,
Love
heck
all the
yeah.
quotes.
Hoorah. Dig that.
Hoorah!
Dig that.
And thank your husband for everything that he does for us and our country. Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay, this is from Angela Rapier.
Hey, Angela.
Angela says, my hubby is jacked to try this. Loving the breakfast. He also had a request for you or Nate. A muffaletta.
Oh, I love muffaletta.
You're a daisy if you do. Please keep cooking and quoting.
Dang, do you know what muffaletta is? Dibs.
Fine, I'll let you do it.
You'll learn all about it on my show. Hey, thank you. And thanks for such a sweet comment. I never get those. Let me know down in the comments.
Technically, that wasn't sweet to you,
Why you gotta ruin it?
because I don't like you.
Why you gotta ruin it?
It's like I'm sitting here playing cards with my brother's kids or something.
You nerve-wracking.
Okay, this is from Badger Dad.
Hey, Badger Dad. It's Badger Dadger.
Geez, your projects seem interesting, but every video you guys do is incredibly annoying from the viewer standpoint. It was amusing in the first minute, but I had to shut it off.
What was the name again? Badger,
Badger Dad.
They have no regard for any other animal whatsoever.
How you like them apples, Badger Dad?
I brought you into this world. I'll take you out.
That's right. Dude, we're ending on a high note.
All right. Are you sure?
No.
Oh, someone liked it. Thank you. Okay.
Huh? Roger Larson.
Hey, Roger.
Says, I love memes as much as the next guy. The amount of clips is tiring and way too close to each other. Please take it down a couple notches.
Quotes, not memes.
Wait, I thought you said we're ending on a high note.
I was lying.
Apparently.
Take it easy.
You sit on a throne of lies.
I smell like beef and cheese.
Lie, lie, and lie some more.
Behind me, it's the OG board if you didn't notice. This is where you, the viewers, get to send something fun to put up here.
Oh, do we have one?
We do. Do you even griddle, bro?
Oh, Hussy.
Come on, Hussy. Oh, look.
Show me again. I didn't have focus.
I got two of them.
Yeah, I like those.
Yep. All right, let's get him. He's taking up some real estate. We're running out, folks.
Where are you going to hide him behind the shirt? I'm telling him.
Nah, dude. Speaking of nah, dude, if you want to go down a rabbit hole, you can find out where you can get that shirt and maybe that shirt, or maybe not.
I want to sit and see it.
Uh-huh.
It's like magic.
You have to find it, but it is a party. Also, while you're cruising around, go to blackstoneproducts.com for this recipe and all other things Blackstone related. Go to griddlenation.com for all swag and shirts and fun things. But in the meantime, remember, this is CJ's first cooking show where we cook.
And we go out. Did it go up?
Yeah.
We go out.
Look up here, look up here.